Okay guys, so disclaimer before this video starts. This all was Friday and my mom didn't get to film, so we were waiting on my trainer to send us photos. So just a disclaimer. And my summer schedule for riding is Wednesday nights and Friday mornings. Bye guys, and remember to subscribe if you like this content.
Rain pull release, outside rein. Yeah! Nice job! Shorten your reins, grab slide, real quick. Outside rein, sit back, and yeah! Rain pull release, outside rein. Yeah! Nice job! Shorten your reins, grab slide, real quick. Outside rein, sit back, and yeah!